Assalamualaikum, my brothers and sisters. How are you all doing today? I would like to thank Ali English House Academy to give an opportunity to develop my personality. So I would like to start this by sharing a hadith. Our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, the Miftahul Jannati Salah, means the key of Jannah is namaz. So thank you for listening me patiently and Jazakallahu khair. And I would like to say something about myself and about this academy and Haris sir. So I am from Tiptur. In the previous video you have seen me that Haris sir said you are the inspiration for this youth. That's why, because I do welding work. My profession is welding. I dropped out from 11th, means I completed my 11th and I didn't go to second year. But my mama's wish and his dream to like a boy as an engineer or something else, very good boy. So by her inspiration and by her thoughts, I am here today. I will do work. I will get up at 6 and I will go to 8 at work, and I'll finish my work at 7:30 and 8. I will earn daily. I will earn approximately 800 rupees. So after that finishing, I will do holiday on Friday and Saturday. I will do both day, half day to attend this class. So I am developing myself and thanking for Haris sir to inspiring me for such things. So thank you once again, sir.
MashaAllah, that's a great inspiration. He is only son and he is also yatim, though he has not mentioned it. So he has to take care of his family. Even in that condition, Friday and Saturday he does work only for half day. So with the half day of holiday or the leave, he comes here all the way from Tiptur to Tumkur. How many kilometers, sir? Around 75 kilometers he travels all the way for the class. But unfortunate is that in Tumkur we have thousands of people who spend their evening just by wasting the time here and there. So truly he is a motivation. I hope that through this inspiration we will have more and more students making use of this opportunity. Thank you for watching. Please share and subscribe. Jazakallahu khair. Assalamu.